I'm gonna do it this time. Yeah, thanks. Oh my hand.
Yung maganda kasi yung panahon eh. Oh, be careful, Riles. Go in the other way.
I wanna lose you. Psych.
Ang ganda kasi ng panahon. Dinala ko yung mga kapitbahay namin yan eh. Dinala ko dito. Riles, you did it. Good job, Yani.
Nanny, look.
Riles, be careful. Tanaw si Riles, oh. Lahi ang gihimo. Iba yung ginagawa ni Riles eh. Riles, nagback, ano naman ka? What? Make sure your face, okay? You not hit in the... Protect your face, okay? Just protect your face. It's not a bang in the... Okay. You got... Be careful, you're gonna hit your face, okay? Just always protect your face. Riles? No, don't teach him them that like that, okay? Not jump there, okay? They're gonna hit it. They're gonna follow you. That's not safe. That's dangerous, okay? Because you can hit there. When you jump it, you're gonna hit your face there. That's not good. No, don't do that. That's not good for the kids. I have. Okay. Okay, we gotta have 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes more.
There we go.
Yes, then we go back home.
I made it.
You want to turn around? You want the other one? You want this one? Sit down there. You want this, Riles? Riles, this one? You want this? You want this? You don't like this one? Yan na. Ayan na. Ayun. Oops. Oh, be careful your face. Don't. No, don't. That's why you need to. Don't all the way. You need your foot on the floor, okay? You hit it. You hurt it. That's why be careful. You need your. Aray ko. Yan, may mga kalaro na si Giles eh, kasi yung mga ano kasi neighbor. Mga ano yan sila, mga Spanish, mga mix na din yan. Tingnan mo si Riles, oh. Tingnan niyo si Riles, anong ginagawa ni Riles. Baliktad eh. Parang ano yung isa eh. Gagayahin yung isa ng batang yan. Natatakot ako makikita. Okay, go. Tingnan yung isa, oh, nakalkal na. Batang kalkal na naman yun, oh. Tingnan mo yung batang kalkal. Oh, nakalkal na naman. Yan yun silang dalawa eh. Batang kalkal. Mahangin kasi eh. Nanay ng bata. Mga neighbor, oh. You got 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes more. Kailangan kong urasan kasi nako. Baka hinanap na to sa kanila. Pero alam naman ng ano kapatid nila eh. At saka yung may oops, whoop, got that. Got that, Riles. Oh, naho na yun. Tingnan mo. Ayun. Tingnan mo. Are you okay, Riles? Are you okay? Ay, hindi ko na ano, natumba siya. Are you okay, Riles? Are you okay? Ayun. Oy. Riles. Tingnan mo. Yung isang bata. Oh. Tingnan mo. Yun yung pag ano, pag maraming batang binabantayan. Ayun. Nasa malayo yan eh. Akala nila hindi ko sila makikita. Oh. Saya ng mga bata. Oh. Sarap maging bata eh. Tanaw ni tiguang oh mga bata. Ang magulang mo ni. You can off your Giles, are you hot with your jacket or no?
I cannot be too. I gotta get my pickaxe. Okay. Got my pickaxe. We're actually playing Minecraft right now. You're not cheating.
Makaibigan nila to eh. Kaklase. Tagal pa itong magsama-sama to. Imagine si Giles dito, ano pa lang 1 year old. Ngayon, naging ano na kami dito. Ano, what you doing, Giles? Unsa yung gihimo?
Mom, we're playing Minecraft.
Magbisaya, nak. I-shout out sila, Bi.
Shout out. Shout Palima. Now let's go to the...
You got a 10 minutes, okay, more? Yeah. Because I have something to do. And you bring back your home.
I can actually act like Spider-Man. Sorry. Let's go.
Be careful, okay?
I can also climb up all the way here.
Oops, be careful, Riles.
Araya! Araya! You should get here.
Be careful, okay?
She's the Ender Dragon! The Enderman! It's an Enderman! Hurry up! Run, it's an Enderman! I'm talking about Ryan.
Oops.
No, you're the zombie in Minecraft. Oh no! Don't get me, Ryan! No, you gotta get me, Ryan.
Ganon sila ka ano. Eh, pag puro ba nga bata eh. Okay, just hold it. Make sure you're gonna hold it, okay? Hold it. Tuwang-tuwa ang mga bata. Oops! Oh no! What happened? You're okay? What happened? What happened? Oh! You're okay? Oh my God.